That's about the top stories in headlines. ఇక డీటెయిల్స్ లోకి వెళ్తే ఋషికొండలోని ఐటీ హబ్ లో ఇన్క్యూబులేషన్ సెంటర్ ను బాబు ప్రారంభించారు. ప్రస్తుతం ఆయన అక్కడ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Brain gain. Today that is what is happening. So many people are coming with the technologies, with the resources and also best practices that is going to happen. Even I am appealing everybody. Yesterday PM has appealed. PM has given a call. In the recent times, Digital India, we will be number one in that. And also Make in India. I am appealing, Make in India will give a slogan. At the same time, Made in Andhra Pradesh is also our aim, our goal. We will achieve it. Now with Google, I am very clear, they have given so much of four MOAs, four main items. We came to understanding with them. One is Telugu Pond in internet. This is very, very important. Even local language is there, then utility will be very high. And also automatically even common man. Long back I used to discuss all these things with so many experts, especially Raja Reddy at that time, Carnegie Mellon University, he was professor on IT. How to take IT for the common man? That is our challenge at that time. If you can go through history, before 94, 93, very low penetration of IT. Nobody used to have IT also at that time. Even I was witness in 85. I wanted to computerize all my party accounts at that time by keeping 60 members rotation, 3 shifts a day. And then continuously we upgraded all our records, 6 lakh records at that time. And at the same time, at that time, even we don't have any AC rooms. We provided AC rooms for our computers. And then standalone systems, not network. Then around 95, 96, there is a change. When internet has come, there is a revolution. Laptop has come. That is the time next revolution has come in IT. After that, so many companies, they have changed the world totally. World has become a global village today. By sitting at home, even students, they are doing extremely well. One example, if you see here, our Sanjay Vijay Kumar, he is from Kerala. Second year engineering. You don't want to continue his education. You want to do something. That was his urge. Then he went to incubation center. There he got some encouragement. Ultimately Gopal Krishnan and others supported him. Then immediately he had a breakthrough. Now his company turnover is 100 crores. He is not satisfied with that. Then he wanted to promote more and more startup companies. Then he went to schools, colleges, he started organization. Now Gopal Krishnan is supporting. They are able to create nearly 800 startup companies in Cochin today. You know, Kerala, the psychological situation, how they are working. Generally, Keralites are working all over the world extremely well, but not in Kerala because of trade union problem. They are a very intelligent people, highly educated, very enterprising, but nothing has been done in the recent past except tourism. But he has changed the atmosphere. Now Kerala, these entrepreneurs and also startup companies have come. Incubation center has taken up in a big way. When I came to know, immediately I asked my advisor Satyanarayana and also Mr. Jaju, Sanjay Jaju, to go and visit and then come back. I am very happy. He is so patriotic. Immediately he came to me. I request only one thing. What you have done in Kerala, you have to replicate in Andhra Pradesh. Are you agreeable? Immediately he said, yes, we will do it. I am very happy. That is how we started incubation center in Visakhapatnam. We are having one advantage in Visakhapatnam. and also in Andhra Pradesh.